In today's video, I will show you how to create a low budget product video using your mobile device in a free video editing app. I'm going to show you how I made this video and how simple it is to duplicate it. Now, this is a great way to showcase products such as shoes, socks, rugs, just to name a few. And even if you don't sell these items, I highly encourage you to watch the short video because it might inspire you to create something similar for your products. Hi, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nancy, and I help small business owners turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly videos. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So the first step is find an area that has a nice background. So it could be like hardwood floors, it could be on top of a carpet, it could be outside if you wanted to as well. It will be easier if you have someone else record it for you. I did this on my own, so it is a little bit shaky and a little bit harder to do it by yourself. You can also use a tripod if you have one as well, especially the ones that bend over to record awkward positions like this one. So the first thing you want to do is just have your shoes lined up. Whatever shoes you're going to do, you could do 5 shoes, you could do 20 shoes. It's really up to you how long you want this video to be. Now, these videos you could use for social media, you could use it for your email list, you could create a GIF out of them. There's so many ways that you can market this video for your small business. So once you have your shoe, the first technique is put on the shoe, and all you're gonna do is raise your knees up and slam your feet down. And you're gonna do a 2-second video of each shoe doing that. So raise, down, and then what I would do is raise again. The reason why you wanna do the raise again of your legs is because you want the transition to go from one frame to the other. So when you raise your legs up again and you slam down, the new shoe should be the one that's going to come into play in the actual frame. And I will show you how I trim it using a free editing software tool in a few minutes. But what you're going to do, just pretty much do what I did in this video. You're just going to duplicate this with as many shoes as you want to incorporate. For this example, I only did 4 shoes. Obviously, like I said, you could do 5 shoes, you could do a set of 10 shoes, you could do more than that if you wanted to. Once you have all of the videos taken, all you're gonna do is use a video editing software to edit those videos. So let me show you how it works inside the video editing software. The video editing app that I use is called Clips. And you could download this if you have an iPhone. I believe it's also available on Androids. If it's not, you could use any other app that does trimming on your videos. So go ahead and go in there, click on photos. And what you want to do is grab the videos that you just did that you want to go ahead and edit. So I'm going to do the last 4 and I'm going to add them in here. And what you want to do is tap on each video and you're going to click on trim. And I'm going to go ahead and trim this. So I'm going to start it right there. And I want to trim it as I go down. So I want to, before I hit the ground, I want to stop it right there. And I'm going to click on, oops, right there. So let's go ahead and do right there, right before. And I'm going to trim it. And now I'm going to go to the second video and I'm going to do the same. So this one, I want to trim it right where my legs go up. They're about to hit the rug. And that's where I kind of want to trim it so it can match the first video. And then from there, I'm going to trim it right when it goes down again for the next video right there. Trim. Then I'm going to take this clip as well. I'm going to trim it. And I'm going to trim it right as I go down. This is what I was talking about, that you need to have that transition of going down for the videos. So here is me going down. I want to do it right before. So right there is good. And then I want to transition also as I go down on the next one as well. So the next video could catch up to it. Trim. And I'm going to do the last one. I'm going to go ahead and trim this one. And I'm going to go right when I go down, right? So I'm going to do slightly before that. So right there will be good. Maybe a little bit more low. So right there. And then at the end, I'm going to make sure that I trim it right when I go down because I didn't add more videos. So let's go ahead and preview this just to see how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and start it from the beginning. So here we are. And boom. And then we're going to do the next shoe. And then we're going to do the next shoe. Oh, it came out pretty good, actually. So there you have it. This is how simple it is to create a product-based video using your phone and a simple app. Now, you could use this video, like I said in the beginning, on social media. You could create a GIF out of it. And what I recommend is using it on Instagram Reels. You could find a trending song, add that song to it. And this is a fun, creative way to promote your products. Let me know if you are going to try this trick. And don't forget to check out these additional videos on the screen to help you grow an impactful business. I'll see you in the next video.